How to annotate a PDF in Google Chrome using the new native drawing tool. This tutorial shows you how to mark up a PDF directly without needing a separate app. First, open Google Chrome on your Android device. From there, open the PDF you want to annotate, either from a downloaded file or a link on the PDF viewer. At this point, tap on that icon to bring up the drawing tools. Following this, you'll see options for freehand drawing, highlighting, and text. From here, choose the tool you want, like the pen if you want to write or circle something directly on the page. At this stage, select a color if you're given that option. Following this, use your finger to draw or write directly onto the PDF. From here, if you want to highlight text instead of freehand drawing, select the highlighter tool. At this stage, drag across the text you want highlighted. Following this, once you're finished annotating, tap the checkmark or Done button to save your changes. Once saved, your annotations stay embedded in the PDF, so they'll show up the next time you or anyone else opens that same file. That's how you annotate a PDF in Google Chrome using the new native drawing tool. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.